Alright, I finally got everything hooked up in the truck. Let's kind of go over so no one thinks I'm running no big stuff. Got the front battery, and we got the truck accessories going off the back terminal, and then we got the grounding straps, of course. We got the two wires going back. And then they go along, and I gotta fix that hole a little bit better. And then the wires come up through there and attach onto the first battery. And then they jump over to the second battery. And then I got grounding strap off the battery to the seat belt, seat mount. And then I got my 6-pill running directly to one of the batteries, and then the grounding strap off that. And I got the little 2-pill running straight to the first battery. And that's it. Keep it nice and simple. Keep all the wires short. I gotta fix the wire routing a little bit more, but strap it down a little bit better. And of course I got the puck mount direct wired. And then we got just the simple setup on the radio. We have that mount, adjustable mount. And then just an external speaker underneath. And that's the hookup in the 92 Chevy Truck. It's like 497's locking it down. That's a simple system. And then of course the antenna. Just one antenna for now. We got the puck, the ground plane, the spring, a couple inches of extension, and just my Road Warrior stainless steel antenna. We don't got a back door yet. We'll work on that later. Alright, that is the hookup in the Chevy Truck. I'll be out there in the airwaves. Have a good day.